Hello friends, this is how I have decorated my garden. Since this is the beginning of my garden makeover, feel like to share with you. So this is a view from my balcony. You can see. Here I have placed a grass mat to give a lawn view where we can sit and listen to the birds chirping sound and we can enjoy some kitty party. So here I have taken some photographs of my garden which I am sharing with you. More decoration of my garden that I will share with you in my next video, and I plan to decorate my garden in some different way. Hope you are with me and enjoy this video. For any update or any comment you can mention in the description box. Hope you enjoy this video. For more update please subscribe my channel. Thanks for your valuable time and thanks for watching my video. We'll meet in my next video.